exhaust members are finished, all done. So we paint the sort of top covers, so when it goes for powder coat, obviously the powder coat won't go onto there, so stops it going rusty. Same with the inside as well, we paint that, so sand the original paint off and paint the inside, so when it goes in the oven to cook the powder coater on. Today is an exciting day. Chassis is finished. Arrived at the powder coaters. It's Centurion Blast Cleaning in Leyland. Leyland's really famous for building trucks, so it's quite a good thing to bring the chassis here for powder coating. The reason why we get it powder coated is when we go through gravel trap, it's a lot more durable, so it should look nicer for longer, hopefully. Also, when we had the fireball in Czech Republic, none of the powder coat was damaged, so that's pretty cool. So going to get it unstrapped now, and then the lad's going to come over, lift it off with forklift. We are already back at Centurion Blast Cleaning in Leyland because the chassis is painted and it's a lovely Audi grey. So we'll get that loaded up now. Once it's loaded, we're going to shoot over to MAN in Preston because I've ordered some bits from there, and then try and show them the chassis as well. And we'll get this pallet of bits off. Some of it's going the same colour, other bits are going to like a blue colour as well, so it should look the dog's danglies when it's done. All strapped on, so we're going to nip over to MAN quickly over in Preston to grab some bits and pieces. But big thank you to Centurion Blast Cleaning in Leyland for rushing the job through. I know they're busy and we're just a small customer, but yeah, big thank you for the amazing paint job on the chassis.